Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial. Create an account. After purchasing a Drive subscription from fleet.drive-eld.com/onboarding, you will be taken to the Carrier Site login page. Log in with the email address and password you created to purchase your subscriptions. The first time you log into your Carrier account, you will be asked to confirm the company information. All of this information can be changed later, except for the time zone, which cannot be changed. Select the Take Me to My Carrier button when you are ready. You are now set up to use the Drive Carrier site. Remember that this web dashboard account for fleet managers must use a separate email address from the mobile app account for a driver. Once your company exists, you can add other users to it. When these users log in, they will be connected to your company. That way, you can have multiple users with separate logins connected to the same company. Users can be a manager who can only invite drivers and monitor logs, or an admin who can edit company settings, as well as invite and support users. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.